All right, hello. Welcome to another one. The F1 movie recently released. I enjoyed the fuck out of it. Beyond that, I'm just a huge F1 fan. But I really wanted to film some gameplay video, and I wasn't really sure what to do. So, I kind of just said fuck it and just decided that we're going to do F1. Now, what's nice, F1 did a partnership with the movie, which I felt like us as fans were kind of hoping was going to be a given. It's honestly pretty sick. I've done it a couple times, and it's just, I don't know, it's just a way to get closer to the movie. So I think low-key, just because this is the first video of like a little mini series that I'm gonna be doing, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and do this trailer for maybe those who haven't seen it. It was a really good fucking movie, honestly.
Some people look at Sonny Hayes.
I didn't even get to see the full thing.
They see a guy who lives in a van, a broke loser who missed his shot, the best that never was. But I see possibility.
Copyright.
My rook
Copyright.
is a phenomenal talent, but he's young.
God, this movie was, you have to see it in theaters. It's the only way to experience it.
Boom! I got a team.
When was the last time you won a race?
Sunday, Daytona.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant Formula One.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then same as you.
There's this new guy. He's old. He's quick though.
You get any constructive criticism for each other, what would it be?
Don't be stupid.
That was constructive.
Wow.
Dude, the camera shots that they were able to get for the cars.
Did you win something?
That scene was fucking
There's 20 other
stupid.
drivers still out on that track. Do you think
I
any
was
of them
seeing the
respect us?
trailers, and I was wondering, I'm like, yo, why is he... It's not really a spoiler. I don't think.
Isn't a has-been.
You're thinking that
He's a never won.
that he's cheering because he like won, or I don't know, he qualified or some shit like that. Bro literally fucking retired. Sees media and just goes, whoa! Why?
I'm offering you
I would be
an
upset
open
if I
seat in
retired.
Formula One. The only place you could say, if you win, you are
It
the
was those
absolute
shots.
best
God.
in the world.
The shots they got for this fucking insanity. Theaters is the only way I think to experience that. Either that or a really, really bassy theater system. Alright. Ish, run it. I think I advise, if you haven't seen the movie, probably shouldn't watch this. What am I even doing? Just Silverstone test day, halfway through the season. At the request of his old friend and a teammate, Ruben Cervantes. Former F1 driver Sonny Hayes arrives for APX GP circuit test day, but he'll have to show them that he still has what it takes behind the wheel. It's really sick how they did this.
New wing, new side pods. Any changes to the floor?
Nothing the 8 other drivers wouldn't have figured out.
That's why they call me Lucky Number 9.
Listen, it's been a while since you've driven there, mate, yeah? The balance on these cars are tricky, so be careful turn 1 and 9. Won't want to see you get hurt.
How about we set a reasonable target? Give me the same setup as him. If I can't post a lap time within a second of JP's, then I will promptly see myself out, and you're free to take a shot at Lucky Number 10. 10?
10.
10.
Who's JP?
cross round on Brooklands, easy on Lafayette, up to Woodgate, hard out in Cobb. And be
I
careful
feel like
on
I'm
the
gonna
curb.
get copyrighted, but I feel like I don't care.
Default mode, settings 1 to 2, back to 3. Differential 1 through 4, DRS.
Yeah, fuck it. That scene was sick, dude. It's kind of nice just seeing. You're seeing it kind of from a different perspective. Like, that's not something you get to see a lot, is the fan coming out. You don't normally get to see a close-up or just hear the sound of it.
Let's see what you got.
Real. Oh.
If he raced with Ruben, he raced with Schumacher, with Senna.
Point. He's still old as fuck. Something else that's kind of cool too that I don't think
I'm not saying it's
someone
been a
would
while
notice
since you've been in an F1
is
car, but,
they actually put a filter on it, so it looks kind of
easy on this outlap and just get
than the
generally
normal
acquainted
like
with the car, eh?
racing in the game. This is just a warm up. Just a lap to get the tires nice and wet. I need to find some way to take that corner flat out in 8th gear. Oh shit! Hear the F1 drivers talk about it all the time. But I feel like I can never do it. I should not have been in 4th. Alright, here we go. Just give me a minute. It's been a minute since I've been on Silverstone. Got this. Look at that swiftness. Yeah, I'm not giving it enough throttle. Why is my brake bias so high? I keep fucking chickening out. I already know this lap is trash. Fuck it, I'm just gonna turn the ERS off. Charge it up real quick.
Right, that is solid stuff, mate. I like it. Now I want to see if we can get you within a second of Joshua's time. So let's push now.
Right here. I'm 34. Bro, that's light work. Much better. saved it.
You okay?
Yep, all good.
Dude, that is such a good looking car.
something.
Yeah, you mean had something.
Honestly, low key,
But definitely
I might get
snappy
hate for this, but the
high-speed corners.
APX GP might be my favorite F1 livery.
Had trouble with the rears, turns 14,
F1
16.
livery.
And the final turn, maybe?
No, that's on me.
What was his lap time?
He passed his entirely self-imposed test by 0.05 of a second.
Well,
It's a start. And that's it. There is other chapters that are gonna drop June 30th, but like I said, I kind of just wanted to upload something that was kind of gamey, something that I could just edit that was quick and just throw out there. So I don't know if when the other chapters come out, I don't know if I'm just gonna do a 1 by 1 by 1 by 1, or if I'll just put 2 together, 3 together, and then just send it. But that's it. See you on the bike.
What a fucking idiot!
Give it a little. Woo! Do my little stretch real quick. Nice and comfy. Come on. No! That's why you buy Casify.